So my fuel filler cap obviously is about 20 years old, and the plastic started to degrade, and this bit snapped off. And so what I've done is I've bought another one, the same, but the plastic's not degraded. So I'm going to be putting this on, link in the description for the new part, and then, well, that's that. It's now on, but this has got to connect onto here, and we've got to get this piece off. So he's got it's like a pin that expands. There you go. We just drill that out, and obviously the further you push it in, the wider it gets, but then the drill grabs hold of it and then pulls it out. It came with a new one, so we'll put that on and attach the filler cap. So I just pushed it in, not quite all the way, and then now it's gone through the filler cap attacher, and we push that into the hole, and then we just need to push this pin down. So now I've pushed the pin in straight, and the teeth have opened up, so it now grabs hold, and then now the filler cap's on, which we can undo. And then when I'm filling up with fuel, I can just hang it on this hook here. Much easier to use instead of leaving it on the side of the pump and probably driving off and leaving it there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and have a look in the description, and I'll drop the link for a new one of these in there.